LUKSO is a blockchain ecosystem specially created for the fashion and lifestyle industry. So what we are building with LUKSO is going to facilitate the new wave of interaction and innovation to come to this industry, in a world that is ever-changing and becoming more digital and virtualized. And this truly became possible through an amazing technology called blockchain.
And the blockchain, this is this amazing new technology which we have seen basically since 8 years now working in public, where a lot of untrusted parties can interact with each other. Bitcoin showed us this with currency, and Ethereum showed us the possibilities of arbitrary code executed, meaning all kind of interaction, every kind of form can take place on the blockchain with the same security as Bitcoin, for example, has. And we are building the network for the fashion and lifestyle industry to run specifically the use cases for that industry on the LUKSO network.
There are different benefits for LUKSO. I think one big part is obviously from more like an infrastructure layer, the brands can not fight but have a solution for the counterfeit issue. Right? We will have truly unique items, physical and digital. Also for consumers, like any of us, we have a better control of what we are owning, of our things. We have access, we have a great overview, so it really brings security to all of those beautiful things you're purchasing. They have a high value. You really have the true digital and physical ownership.
It's a trustable platform because it will be verified and run by everybody participating. It's not a single institution running a platform where everybody's operating on. It's a platform everybody is running and operating on. So therefore it becomes this trust space. The biggest part in this is actually standardization, making sure that the pieces which run on this infrastructure, which are able to communicate, are doing that in a fashion where it's standardized and they can talk. These kind of standardizations are the synergies we have seen already in the public blockchain space, facilitating an unlimited amount of new innovation.
One of the huge benefits that LUKSO provides for brands and customers is basically what we think is the holy grail, which is access. Right? As a consumer, the moment you purchase an item, it should be the beginning of the relationship and not the end. And with the blockchain, what you can do is perpetuate that relationship in which brands can always reach the first and the second and the third owner of an item. You can access, you can incentivize them to purchase, you can send them invitations, and you as a customer get the benefits, even if you are the third owner of a specific item.
And the blockchain makes it possible because it makes it clearly verifiable. You can come up with systems where certain tiers are only reached by owning or by participating in certain things or being at the right location at the right time. And they can be done in a provable form, meaning that nobody can cheat that system.
We definitely want to create an ecosystem. And the ecosystem is only truly built when you have many people participating and collaborating. So we're very open to collaboration. We don't see people working in similar projects necessarily as competitors. We see them as we can all contribute to create a very exciting and rich ecosystem in which a lot of innovation can happen. So we invite everybody who is interested in blockchain and fashion and doing a startup, is an enthusiast and wants to participate, to come and join us and kind of building this new wave of innovation for this industry.
The consumer will not really know when he's using the blockchain, except that he knows that the onboarding will be faster and easier, it will be more seamless, your identity will be transferable from one device, from one system to the other. You take your things with you at all times because you are in charge of your identities and of your things. You will use it in your phone, you will use it on the web, you will use it in your computer as applications, you will use it in physical items like in chips in your handbags or in new hardware devices which will come out. But the infrastructure and the underlying basis will be the LUKSO network.